Hello everyone, it's Mark, and it's time for another episode of You Can Fix That. So today we have a Ryobi 1 Plus 4-gallon backpack sprayer. It's been a great tool, and I've had it for about 4.5 years. Recently though, it's developed a crack in the tank and it leaks. So that's not ideal. Now you can go online and you can find replacement parts. You can get a tank for about $67, but that's a bit high. And there's an easier way to fix this problem. So what we're going to do today is do a little plastic welding on the tank. We'll fix that crack, and then she should be good as new. So if you like fixing things and you want to see more content like this in the future, go ahead and like and subscribe down below, and that way you'll be notified when any new content is posted. So with that, let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing you're going to want to do is get yourself a plastic welding kit. They're pretty simple. It's a lot like a soldering iron. Comes with 2 tips. This is a little bit wider one. There is a thinner one. And then it also comes with plastic sticks, 2 colors, white and black. Typically it also comes with a metal mesh. This is for reinforcing. As you can see, the last time this was leaking, I went ahead and marked where the leak was coming from. There's a hairline crack. You can't really see it, but it goes across here. So what we're going to do is we're going to get some of the metal mesh. We're going to embed that in the plastic, and then we're going to fill in with the plastic sticks. You can cut this fairly simply with scissors. And we'll go ahead and cut a piece long enough to bridge the entire crack. And then we'll start using the soldering iron to melt the plastic. Pretty simple, just go slow and take your time. It's not the hottest thing in the world, so it can take a little bit to get it to melt and embed itself in the plastic. All we're doing is building up some plastic over the top of that metal mesh. Okay, so that's got that. We'll go ahead and let that cool. And then once that's cool, go ahead and fill it up with water and check and see how we did. Okay, welcome back. So the repair is cooled off. I did sand it a little with a piece of sandpaper just to get off any of the rough edges. And we'll go ahead and see if this solved our problem. Everything looks good. No longer dripping out of that crack. So I think we're good to go. So if you're interested in a simple fix, it's going to cost you less than 20 bucks instead of replacing the tank for $67.01. I recommend getting yourself a plastic welding kit and then going to town on your tank. It's pretty simple, and I know you can do it. So the key here is saving things that would normally end up in the dump. We don't want that to happen. We want to be able to fix them, and this is the way to do it. I'll leave a link down in the description. You can find plastic welding kits on Amazon. They're really pretty cheap. There's a bunch of different ones, and there's really nothing cosmic about them. So happy fixing, and we'll see you next time.